Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at some Air Jordan 1 highs, this time in the Bleached Coral or Stage Haze colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today, we're going to be talking about some Air Jordan 1 highs. These are going to be set to release on the Sneakers app, but this is a beautiful colorway in hand. So we're going to be talking about the Bleached Coral or Stage Haze. It has been different depending on what site you go to. The name kind of varies. But we'll talk about the overview of these, then jump into size and fit, followed by how I style them, and conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. So this is just a really cool, simplistic colorway. Kind of reminds me of the smoke grays, but there are some differential attributes to this. One of those is these pink laces that I decided actually to tie them with. They originally came with black laces, but I decided to put the pink laces, not the white. They also come with white laces as well, so it's kind of up to you. With this name, the Bleached Coral, though, I feel like I had to put something coral on here, and so I decided to swap it out and put this lace, which I think complements all the color schemes in this quite nicely. We have the crisp white leather toe box, and on the front it's this really cool, actually crackled black leather. It's not really tumbled, it literally looks like it has been crackled, and it actually has this kind of purple hue to it in between the cracks, which you really can't see in photos until you have it up close to your face like myself. But the threading also kind of has this like purpley hue to it as well. As we work our way up, we've got just a nice black nylon tongue, and then the Nike swoosh mark on the top there is actually outlined nicely in that Bleached Coral colorway. Let's take a look at those details and move on to the side panels. All right, so working our way to the side panels, we have underlays of the white crisp leather, overlays of this kind of crackled black leather, again, that kind of has that purple in between the cracks there. Working our way to the back, we've got nice nubuck on the back here in that light heather gray. On the interior, we have more of that coral pink color scheme and black for the Nike Air and swoosh logo. The sneaker on the other side of the side panel has the Air Jordan Wings logo in that metallic-y black colorway, which pops quite nicely off of that white smooth leather. And then again, more of that crackled purple leather that we've got on the swoosh mark here. The sneaker is then completed with a simplistic white midsole and a gray outsole. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. size and fits go, I am true to size in the Air Jordan 1 High, so I would recommend if you do have higher to narrow feet like myself to stick true to size on this one. If you do have flatter, wider feet, this could differentiate the size that may work different for you. But on this one, I would say definitely stick true to size. All right, so now let's talk about how I styled this. This was just a really fun colorway when I incorporated the laces. It did have a little bit of that coral pink on the Nike Air for the top of the tab there, but I felt like it just needed a little bit more. So I decided to not lace it up with the black. I put the pink on. And with that, I decided to put some pink in the three looks that I did. So for the first look, I decided to wear an all gray hoodie that was a zip up hoodie with matching gray shorts and then some nice tie-dye pink socks to really complement the pink laces.
Intertwining our minds, yeah. Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science. I could play it cool, but I be lying. I read you like a psychic. I'ma tell you something, you gon' like it. Chemistry is science. Better than what you was fantasizing.
Then for the second look, I wore a white button-down dress with a layering top, which was a vest or sweater vest in pink and green.
Different kind of blue, starry in the daytime. Found my living proof with you. I might lose all of me. Want you here, need your mind in these sheets. Intertwining our minds, yeah. Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science.
And then for the last and final look, I wore a pink sleeveless top, which I think complemented the laces as well quite nicely with some white pants, which I think are great for the summertime.
Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science. I could play it cool, but I be lying. Read you like a psychic. I'ma tell you something, you gon' like it. Chemistry is science. Better than what you was fantasizing.
So you let me know down below, what's your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these?
Yeah, a couple million plays when I drop with no promo. Fuck a label, the kid is going solo dolo. And fuck a job, cause I'm ballin' off that EDD. No Tesla, swerving on the PHC. Never went for the money, it keep coming at me. They asking for the cheat sheet, but ain't nothing to see. Cause I'm just a super saiyan, if you know what I'm saying. Bad bitch, got you lit on energy, I'm vibrating, so don't worry about me. Why you always so worried about me? No crib, hidden hills where they can never see me. Satnam, in the garden, bitch doing kundalini. No bikini, tits out eating top grade sashimi. When he see me, he gon' slurp it up like linguine, yeah. Got the bag, pop the tag, rock the swag, yeah. Ain't an egg, yeah. I'm a walking fag, yeah. Waist snatch, real ass, no class. I'm a Michelin star snack, yeah. Don't worry about me, bitch. I'ma just have to say some shit real quick. Yeah, all these clowns on the gram doing shit for likes. Wouldn't have to make a dance if your shit was tight. In my sleep, making bands with the hits I write in the booth.
Now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $170 and they are currently going between $200 to $270. So pretty great price point, and makes sense. This is going to be a great colorway for the summertime, especially if you do decide to put a lace swap in with these pink laces. Other than that, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you're new here and joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. already. Also, be sure to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next episode.